For manufacturers, keeping production equipment running efficiently depends on having the right spare parts available at the right time. Excess inventory increases carrying costs, while insufficient stock can result in unplanned downtime and production delays. This solution helps maintenance and procurement teams optimize spare parts inventory through AI-driven inventory intelligence. The solution analyzes historical spare parts consumption, supplier lead times, equipment criticality, maintenance records, and inventory data to identify duplicate materials, obsolete stock, and optimal inventory levels across manufacturing operations. It also detects duplicate material codes created by inconsistent supplier descriptions, enabling organizations to consolidate inventory, eliminate redundant stock, and improve working capital utilization without compromising equipment availability. But inventory optimization is only part of the solution. For every critical spare part used across production assets, such as stamping presses, conveyors, robotics, motors, and other manufacturing equipment, AI continuously calculates the optimal minimum stock, maximum stock, and reorder point based on historical demand, maintenance frequency, and supplier lead times. The solution includes predictive procurement capabilities that forecast future spare parts requirements before shortages occur. Procurement teams receive intelligent recommendations on when to replenish inventory, allowing them to secure critical components while minimizing excess stock. As inventory conditions change, the platform continuously identifies surplus inventory that can be reduced, highlights parts approaching stockout risk, and prioritizes procurement activities based on operational criticality. This provides maintenance and procurement teams with complete visibility into inventory health, working capital, procurement priorities, and spare parts availability across multiple production lines, facilities, and equipment categories. The AI models can be built using historical inventory, maintenance, procurement, and supplier data, and tailored to the organization's manufacturing processes and inventory management policies. The result is a decision support solution that optimizes working capital, reduces excess inventory, minimizes stockout risk, improves spare parts planning, and enables manufacturers to maintain reliable production with greater confidence. Let us help you move from idea to implementation. Contact us for a deeper discussion.